Hello guys, 안녕하세요. I do understand that you are struggling with using Korean particles when you speak and write. It's not easy, right? That's why I'm making this video, uh, wishing that I can help you a little bit. But anyhow, let's see. Here are three sentences. 커피가 마셔요. 커피를 마셔요. 커피가 맛있어요. Which sentence is correct and which sentence is not correct? If the sentence is not correct, why that is not correct? Before explaining this, let's see this one first. English sentence structure typically it starts with the subject and then verb follows and then object follows. Or after subject, be adjective or be noun follows. Korean sentence, if you see the sentence structure, usually starts with the subject, but verb or be noun or be adjective is located at the end of the sentence. Pay attention to these things. Then let's see. Based on English sentence structures, let's translate those English sentences into Korean. You see, Tom reads a book. So Tom is a subject and book is object. Read is verb. Oh, uh, in English you don't have, but in Korean we have what? Particles, subject particles and object particles. So for subject markers, 이가 and object markers, 을. So when you translate, Tom is a subject, so you add 이, 탐이. Book is an object, so add 책, 책을. And then as you know that verb located verb is usually placed at the end of the sentence in Korean sentence structure. So, 탐이 책을 읽어요. If you say 탐 is to be copula verb and noun, to be copula verb and adjective, there is no object. And then 탐 is a subject. So same with the first one. 탐이, this one is a student 학생이에요. Is tall, 커요. Even though in English be adjective, but we have one word adjective, right? 크다 and 커요. Then let's visit. Let's visit the first three sentences. 커피가 마셔요. 커피를 마셔요. 커피가 마셔요. Let's look at the particles. After coffee, there is 가. It means coffee, 가 indicator of a subject indicator, right? So coffee is a subject. Should be located here. Should be placed here. Coffee and 마셔 is drinks. So after a coffee and add drinks. Coffee drinks. Does it make sense? No, not at all, right? 커피를 마셔요. Coffee. After coffee, there is an object indicator. So coffee should be located here. And then 마셔 is a verb, so here. So it means what? Drinks coffee, but there is no subject. I told you the in Korean sentences, Koreans often drop subject when the subject is clear based on the context. And if there is no subject, just take it I. I drinks coffee. 커피가 맛있어요. Again, coffee, seeing that there is a subject indicator, coffee is used as a subject. So coffee put here. And 맛있어요. What is 맛있어요 in English? It's delicious or is tasty. So is adjective structure. So coffee here and is adjective here. So coffee is delicious. Correct, right? I I know it's not easy. However, at least if you see a sentence or if you see a sentence that you write or you speak, you produce, then see the if you want to check whether it is correct or not, then please look at the particle and the noun and apply those things into Korean no English sentence structures. Then you will see at least the things remember. Then now, subject marker and topic marker. Very confusing, right? Let's see. 커피가 맛있어요. 커피는 맛있어요. Both sentences into English. Coffee is delicious and coffee is delicious. However, to Koreans, actually coffee는 맛있어요 is coffee Because of the topic marker, topic indicator, we see the coffee is used as a topic. So as for coffee, it is delicious. So between the two differences is when the speaker says 커피가 맛있어요, then something is delicious, the whole message gets the focus. However, coffee, and then in the whole message, the word coffee is simply used as a subject. However, 커피는 맛있어요 is, of course, the speaker says coffee is delicious. However, not simply the whole message, focus is coffee. As for coffee, it is delicious. Like that. I'm just sorry. And then, usually according to speaker or writer's intention, they can choose topic marker or subject marker. However, the reason why Korean language teachers and Koreans find a bit strange and weird when Korean language learners use those 이가 and 은는, because in addition to subject indicator, in addition to topic indicator, those particles also deliver some additional meaning. For example, simply, I will not say too much. Simply, 은는 topic marker has a sense of difference or contrast. I always emphasize in class, right? Because of those additional things there, when Koreans read your writing, when we hear when what you speak, sometimes, oh, probably thinking of the not only simply subject and topic, thinking of the additional functions, probably rather than 이가 using 은는 sounds may sound more natural or vice versa. But what you are learning, what about the context or sentence structures that you are learning is really a little bit limited. So it's not easy to provide all the examples that you can easily understand. That is the trouble. Okay. Anyhow, I hope this video helps you. 감사합니다.